Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Synodontis in Fish It Roblox. So the Synodontis is an African legend. It is a fantastic legendary catch in Fish It. And here I'm going to show you the exact best location and the strategy to successfully hook this legendary fish. Now let's just get started. So first, for the location, you can find the fish in the Lost Isle. Here I've already on the location on the Lost Isle right here. And don't forget to bring your diving gear. If you don't have it, you need to buy it for 75k coins, and you can just put it on and let's just go for a dive. Here you can just go down in the Lost Isle. You need to go down here into this hole and enter this door right here. Okay, so here let's go inside and you'll be in this treasure hole inside the Lost Isle. You can just go up here and this is where I found the Synodontis fish. And for the gear, as you guys can see, I'm using steampunk rods, and for the bait I'm using the chroma bait. Now you can just use the auto fishing and just try your luck to find the Synodontis. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on a thanks. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.